Hi everyone, I'm here with a very new effect. This is like Energy Aura. I created this for my death animation of the character. So this tutorial name is Death Energy Aura, and you can see it's looking really nice, and this is very easy effect, I think. I have only used 3 elements and 3 materials for this effect. One is this and looking thing, then the sphere, and third is little sparks in this, and it's looking cool. So let's see what I have done for this effect. Here is my effect. First of all, I have this emitter. I'm using sphere mesh, and I have random size and size over lifetime because at bottom spheres are big, and when they're traveling upward they become smaller at life 1, and I'm using light for this particle. And what are the materials in this? Very simple material actually. This is aura or a texture you can create easily in After Effects or Photoshop, and I'm just panning this texture, and here's I'm using dynamic parameter. I'm panning this and I'm just eroding this with the radius. See, now it's all around my box. If I decrease the radius 0, there is no texture. If I use the radius 0.1, you can see. So if I increase radius, it becomes larger. So I use this parameter in my particles here. Radius at 0 is 0, at 1 is 1, so it's just becoming bigger. So this is how it's looking. Then color overlap is orangish at starting and pinkish at the end. And I just duplicate this emitter, and I just delete my velocity and random rotation, and scale on Z axis is lower. Then I again duplicate this emitter, same, and just the bigger spheres. Now I again duplicate this emitter. Actually I already told you this is very simple effect. I use just a simple material that I duplicated, and I just played with the size and life. So in this emitter I have velocity, they are going upward, its emitter is slender, and size of life, when they are going upward, size of their height is increasing and size of their width are decreasing, so it's stretching effect that is looking very nice. Third one, same but with lower life, so it's looking fast. Then come to my spheres that are eroding and going with the energy. I using sphere and material are different. This is my teleportation material. If you want to learn how to create this material in detail, you can go to CG How, and in videos if you will check, there is tutorial on teleportation. If you see,
Hey you, shader development is not too useful up here in space, but down there.
its character is teleporting. I have told you everything in this video, so you can learn this material, but I show you what I have done here. This is just fractional. You can see the fractional white, that is particular, that I will change in my particle system. Then In world position, I used noise to distort this mesh, and I used these nodes to distort on Z axis. You can see I have X, Y, Z on Z axis. I use this parameter for distortion red. For dissolve, I used this thing. Then tiling, glow intensity. You can just follow my steps, or you can watch the teleportation video to learn this material. Okay, then this is my spark. It's very simple, you can easily create this. I used orbit for random rotation. Okay, so overall this is my effect. It's looking really nice if you see upward direction, and as you're going upward, this is my spheres. I use diagram parameter, character distortion, distort, refresh, distort. You can see here, if they are not dissolving, but mesh distortion is not there. If I increase this value, they are distorting. If I just put 10 or 100,000, they are distorting, but not that much. Okay, these are the all value. You can see with the use of simple materials and duplicating just your emitters, you can easily create a very good looking effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe my channel, share my videos, like and comment below for any query, any problem. What are you waiting for next my tutorial, and give me any reference and topics to make more tutorials. And thank you. Bye.